Today I try to substitute Indian paneer in paneer ki sabji or paneer curry with a Turkish cheese. How it turned out? Let's find out. This shirt shows the motto of my life. It says Einmal am Tag, was verrückt ist tun, means do something crazy every day. For us vegetarians, paneer is very important because it adds protein in our diet. And most of the time, although I have in my channel a paneer recipe, and which is very easy and you can make it from only 2 ingredients, but sometimes you don't have time to make paneer, and for that time you want to substitute it with some kind of cheese that is available in German supermarkets. So when I went to Aldi day before yesterday, I found a cheese called Halloumi, which is a type of grill cheese. That means the cheese that is used for grilling was available in the frozen refrigerated section of Aldi. So I picked one and tried to make a curry out of it. So this is the package of halloumi cheese that is right now available in Aldi, and you see it's a bit denser in comparison to paneer, and now I will taste it. It's not that salty like other cheeses, and it is a bit different, but I think it should do. Now what I did was I just heated some oil and added some turmeric and cumin and mustard seeds, some garlic and ginger, and sauteed it in oil. And then I have many different type of vegetables like this halloumi cheese I had, and then French beans, and then some cabbage, and also some frozen matter or frozen lapsan as you call it. Here I added some tomato puree, and here I am adding tomato ketchup. So I added some salt and cooked this, and yeah, it's almost done. Didn't feel like using onion in this curry, but that's all right. The curry looks tasty, and it has a restaurant type flavor. Curry is ready. You see it has some pieces of cheese, and at first it was a bit hard, but now after cooking it has become very soft, and texture wise I will give it 5 out of 5. You see, it is perfectly soft, and as it should be in the curry. And now I will taste it. For taste also, texture wise it's not so good, taste wise it's good, and I will use it like occasionally when I don't have any substitute for paneer. Otherwise you can also use the recipe that I have in my channel to make paneer very easily at your home, and in that way you can save your environment by using less plastics, and also you are going to get a byproduct that is whey, and it is very nutritious. So I suggest that you watch that video. I will put the link in the description. But right now I am enjoying my creamy paneer sabji, and that you can also enjoy whenever you want, because now you have to run and go to Aldi and bring a new packet of halloumi for you. I hope you like my videos very much, and if you did, then hit like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, because you people, 95% viewer of my channel don't subscribe. I don't know why you people do this to me. There are many new interesting videos coming in my channel, so stay tuned, and we will meet again with a new topic and a new video. Until then, bye bye.